Well friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I just finished dealing with the control arm on this 2003 Golf TDI. Also the tie rod end is brand new, right? So that was one of the jobs. But this car needs more attention. One of them is that there is a loss of power. The turbo is not working properly, it's going into limp mode. There was occasionally some check engine light, and I will definitely go and diagnose that. But before I will start that video, I actually would love to see what's the condition of the EGR valve, which you see right here. Why? Because most of you, or let's say maybe all of you, saw the pictures, that horror, when these valves were actually completely plugged right here, right? And that will be obviously a problem, because this tube which is here is coming from the intercooler which is down there and is bringing, right, the pressurized air for the air intake for the engine. So if this is plugged, it can't really work correctly. Let's go together, look inside. Before opening it, right, I will clean it a little bit. And basically all I have to do is unhook this pipe, right, that rubber pipe. Let me get some pliers so we can take for it. And we will be able to see if that inlet, that whole passage is in good condition and the air is able to freely flow through that area. Alright, I should be able to remove it. And there's not much place, so I'm not able to put it on the side, but I can put it below. And that will give us a look inside. I put the light there, so I will try to show you as much as I can, but I'm not going to take it completely apart. But what we see together, right? The inlet is open. There is the gunk, right? There is that residue which is being blown there. However, this is not to the extent that the engine will be not able to breathe freely. And what you see here, this shape, this level of contamination, normally I will recommend that as a service to taking off this EGR and cleaning it. However, where we are with this customer, this friend, right, she's just wanna fix that loss of power. She might be thinking about selling this, right? So this is not something what she would like to do on this car. Therefore, I'm just closing it and I will focus on the other problems. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you are subscribed because I have way more coming your way soon. See you later.